Hi, my name is Marc Opresnik and I'm a professor of digital marketing at the Technical University of Lübeck in Germany. Today I have exciting news to share because I joined forces with my friend, the biggest YouTube star on the planet when it comes to men's lifestyle, Marino, also known as Alpha M, to write a book about YouTube marketing. And this is a success guide, a book that will help you build your own channel, brand, and thriving company through YouTube and beyond. It is written for businesses and business people everywhere around the world who want to grow their business with online marketing, but it is also written for entrepreneurs who want to start their own business and become successful and build a thriving company and brand. You can buy this book globally via Amazon as ebook and paperbook, and it is full of inside knowledge from Marino and me. So get this book, have a look into it, and we wish you all the very best for your personal success. Thanks very much. Cheers and bye-bye.